Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Sinampalukang beef or beef in tamarind soup. So let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onions, tomatoes, garlic. We have beef shank, which we cook already in our pressure cooker. We have bochoy. We have gabi. We got tamarind leaves, young leaves. We have fish sauce, soy sauce, salt and pepper, and we're gonna use also the tamarind soup base mix. So let's proceed to cooking. In a hot pan here, or a hot wok, let's put vegetable oil or olive oil. Okay. Now we add our onions. We'll saute this for a minute to become translucent. Now let's put our garlic. Let's saute this for 30 seconds. Now let's add our tomatoes. Let's cook this for 2 minutes. Let's add fish sauce. And we'll cover this. Now let's put our gabi. We will saute this and cook this, I should say, for the next 5 minutes to get tender. Cover it. Now let's check our gabi. By the way, gabi in English, this is taro or taro root. We also eat the taro leaves, in coconut milk, and this is a very good root. Okay, now this time we're gonna add our tamarind young leaves. Okay, so this will add just a little of sourness, but it won't be enough because we have to add more tamarind based soup mix, okay, the powder. So let's cover this and cook this in the next 2 minutes. Now let's check our taro. Wow, smells good. This is almost tender, so this is the right time to add our beef shank, okay, which we cooked already, and it's already tender. So let's add it in. We put this in the fridge, that's why. All right. This is already tender, so this won't take long to cook. Man, this is This is really yummy. Okay. So for now, we're gonna add a little of beef broth. All right. Which we use when we boil our beef shank. So we'll cover this for the meantime. Cook it for the next 2 minutes. This time we can add our tamarind soup base mix. I'll just put half a packet, so it won't be too much sour. Okay, there you go. Cover it. Cook it for the next 2 minutes. This time let's add some ground pepper. All right, should be good. Let's check it. Okay, now let's add 4 pieces of hot chili. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, not quite done yet. Let's check it. All right, now this is the best time to put our bochoy, and this will take only a minute, and this is done. Cover it. Here is our finished product: beef in tamarind soup, or Sinampalukang Baka. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.